So, thought I would make another video with sneezing. Got my rolled up tissue. Need to remember to hum and tilt the head back to help encourage. All three together does the trick. Only two of them, I can't get a sneeze out. Works surprisingly well once you get the hang of how to do it. Ooh. And there you have it. Rolled up tissue. However it's rotated, rotate that same direction in your nose while humming, and no one can explain it. The head tilted back helps to encourage the final sneeze out.